How's everybody doing? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from, got this a few days ago from Welding Supplies from IOC, and just wanted to open it up for the first time. Hopefully y'all can hear me okay. Got a nice, this is 2 weeks of not shaving, but it'll all have to go tomorrow. But for today, I'll let it stay. My pocket knife, my 30-year-old Bucklight, bought in 1987. But still a good knife. I'm going to open this up. Like I said, it's from Welding Supplies from IOC online store. Something I bought myself. Been wanting one for a long time. And I just kept putting it off. I ordered some extras to go with it. It's a Lincoln Electric Viking welding helmet, model 3350. Auto darkening lens. Variable shades 5 to 13. I got the black version. It was on sale quite a bit. Couldn't pass it up. So this was a Christmas present to myself. Actually, my wife bought it. She gave me the money, and I ordered it. So let's see what happens when I open it up. All right. Comes in a nice hood. Lots of extras in here. Alright, it's got some inside and outside lens protectors. This is a Foos design Welding Electric. I don't know if that's just a rag or if that's supposed to be like a do-rag, I'm not sure. Manual, need to go and register it. Registration information, warranty card, some stickers to put on it. Comes with a bag. I've never had a auto darkening welding helmet. I've welded for, I guess, off and on. Did it for full time and part time, but I did it for, been doing it for 30 plus years, I guess. I've always just had a regular welding helmet. Huh. The bag's got a zip-up compartment. That's nice. It's lighter than I thought it'd be. It's a sweet, isn't it? It's got a very large viewing screen. I'll have to try this out. I'll take this outside sometime, fire up my welder, and we'll see how it works. I gotta get it charged up now. Find out what all I need to do. Now these I ordered extra from Welding Supplies from IOC, just extra screen covers, just to protect the lens from splatter, and on the inside as well. This is too expensive. This is nice. I have to admit, nice hood to it too. I like that. I'll have to get that adjusted. Wow, that's sweet. Well, I'll let you know how that works out. It has the 4C technology, I think it's called. And everything looks blue inside. But it has this 1:1:1, 4 ones, 1:1:1:1 ratio and clarity. It says on there, see that or not. all this clarity and 1111 4C, but it's supposed to have a bluish tint when you're welding. The thing I like about it is the large screen. As you get older, your eyes get a little worse, bifocals. It gets a little harder to see the weld. I actually take my glasses off and I can see. I wore glasses since I was 10 years old. And I can actually see better now with my glasses off to see the weld than putting them on. But one thing that I am going to get for this, besides the lens protectors, is I'm going to get the magnifying lenses that go inside this. And I don't know if you can see that or not, but they fit right in between these little clips right here. You can put a magnifying lens in there, and I'm going to get that and try it. Of course, then I won't have any excuses for bad welds. Now this is nice. I have to check this out. I'm going to let my wife and daughters play with putting the decals on it. Don't know about the decals. I really don't care about decals, which is the cheapest I found from welding supplies from IOC online. And that was in black. I could have paid $20 more and got one that had, you know, flames on it and all that other stuff, but I really didn't care about all that. So, put in my handy dandy 30-year-old pocket knife I've had for a while. But yeah, I'm gonna set this out. It's got a solar charger. I'll figure out what it's got to do to charge it and set it, and then I'll try it out and let you know. Thanks for watching. Bye.